Hello and welcome to LeetCode Camp Day 7, and today we're going to be solving another LeetCode medium problem. So without any delay, let's start. Okay, so the problem we have is find minimum in a rotated sorted array. So what is a rotated sorted array? So if you look at the example provided to us, we have so this is a normal array sorted in ascending order 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the example has taken 4 as the pivot point and then rotated the array around it, meaning so 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 0, 1, 2, so it's rotated around 4. So you have all the elements put there, and then after that whatever was before it comes like follows. So let me just copy that example here real quick. 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so the way we can solve this problem efficiently is using binary search. So if you don't know what binary search is till now, you should look it up, or you can go back to LeetCode Camp Day 1. That's where I've solved a binary search problem. It's a simple problem, and this is an implementation of the binary search too. Like we just need different conditions, but otherwise the problem is basically similar. So how are we going to solve this is so we know the first element here is 4, right? And then let's just assume like the middle element is 6 for now, and then the middle element is 6, which is greater than the first element, right? So if the middle element happens to be greater than the first element, then we just look for the minimum value on the right side of the array, and so on. And then let's just assume that the middle value was 1, and that is smaller than 4, which means we're just going to look on the left side to look for the minimum side, and that's basically the whole implementation. So if I run through the program, let's say like the middle value is like a 7, then which is greater than 4, greater than the first element, means we're just going to be looking at the right part of the loop. So we're just going to move the index, like left index, all the way to mid, or mid plus 1 actually, but you know, for now like this part, and then same thing again. So middle value is going to be like a 1, let's say, and then it's less than 4, which means the right side is going to shrink down, so it's just going to be these three. And middle value is 0, and then it's less than 4, which means the left side is going to shrink down, so it's going to be just 0 and 1, and you just keep doing that until you reach to 0. That's it. And that's the whole solution. So if you still don't know what binary search is, like I said, just go back to the LeetCode Camp Day 1 and then try to understand what binary search is first. Otherwise I'm not gonna go through the binary search process again, just it will be redundant. But if you understand that, then this program is pretty straightforward. So let's start coding. So our left index is going to start from 0, and then our right index is going to start from length minus 1, and then we need okay, so let's actually put another integer variable called result to store our result. And for now, let's set this to the first element of the array. And then okay, so while go inside the loop, left is less than or equals to right. So while this is true, we need to do the conditions that we talked about before. So if nums, and then if nums of mid, so we need a mid value, right? So our mid, as you know, it's left plus right divided by 2, or you could have said it's left plus right minus left divided by 2, which basically is the same thing, right? So cool. Our mid is left plus right divided by 2. So now if the number in the middle happens to be less than the first number in the array, then that means we found a new middle number. That means we found a new minimum number in the rotated sorted array. So let's store that in the result. Result is going to be nums mid, and then we are only going to be looking if the number is small, then we're only going to be looking at the left part of the array. So we're going to move the right to mid minus 1, one step down, right? And then else simply we're going to do left equals mid plus 1, and let me try to actually, and then at the end Once it's over, we're just gonna return a result, because that's what we're returning, and then get rid of that extra space. Run code. Cool. And then let's submit it. And that's it. So this is binary search. So the runtime for this is, as you know, binary search is O of log n to find the value. So it's faster than n runtime. So pretty fast. But I hope you understand the solution. And if you do not, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.